बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम एवरीबॉडी। हम जब भी पाकिस्तान क्रिकेट और पाकिस्तान क्रिकेटर्स को एनालाइज करना शुरू करते हैं या क्रिटिसाइज करना शुरू करते हैं तो हम सब कुछ चीज़ें भूल जाते हैं। स्पेशली एक फैक्टर को तो हमेशा याद रखना चाहिए कि ये जो पाकिस्तान क्रिकेट टीम है, जो ये मेजॉरिटी ऑफ द लॉट है, इन्होंने तो दे वर सो अनफॉर्चुनेट कि इन्होंने अपना पहला टेस्ट या पहला वनडे या पहला T20 अपने होम ग्राउंड पे खेला ही नहीं, बिकॉज फॉर ऑलमोस्ट मोर देन 10 years there was no international cricket in Pakistan. We used to play abroad and nobody used to visit us. खैर वो तो ट्रेंड अभी तक चल रहा है कि फुल स्ट्रेंथ की टीमें अभी भी लोग नहीं भेज रहे। एंड दूसरी तरफ अगर आप देखें तो हमारे अगर आप शेड्यूल देखें, क्रिकेटिंग शेड्यूल, हमें तो फुल सीरीज भी नहीं मिलती। तो इवन देन आफ्टर ऑल दिस वी मैनेज टू गिव द क्रिकेटिंग वर्ल्ड पीपल लाइक बाबर आजम एंड मोहम्मद रिजवान एंड शाहीन शाह अफरीदी एंड नसीम शाह। That's a huge thing. And look at their caliber. I mean, playing on home ground in front of your own fans is absolutely different. And you get a boost. These people never got that. And still they managed to play cricket and be recognized as fantastic players of international standards. तो ये क्रेडिट तो हमारी टीम को देना चाहिए। अभी तक दे मैनेज टू कम्पीट, एटलीस्ट दे कम्पीट। तो ये चीज़ें वी कीप फॉरगेटिंग, वी शुड नॉट फॉरगेट। अभी भी आप देखो तो जो सबसे बड़ी चीज़ जो मिसिंग है हमारे इस पूरे सिनेरियो में इज ए पाक इंडिया सीरीज और समथिंग लाइक दैट, which I believe should be there. I mean, can you imagine a Pak-India regular cricket series? It could be huge, much bigger than the Ashes between England and Australia. And not just in cricket, we can have regular series in hockey and squash and football and kabaddi. Everything can happen. I think it's about time that the people, the politicians and the decision makers across the border and here should rethink. And it's about time that we bring our relations, regularize them, bring them back to normal, and let's not make sports suffer. And not just the sports, the fans, everybody suffers. Everybody loves to see Virat Kohli performing in Lahore and Babar Azam performing in Mumbai, and that will be one hell of a sight. That has been missing for years and years and years. And the second thing that we don't realize is, look at the international cricket schedules that we get. We hardly get a full series anywhere. And even when the teams come over to play in Pakistan, they are the so-called C teams. They don't even come in full strength. So our boys are missing a lot and still performing. That's a huge factor that should never be ignored. So things are not that bad. I mean, can you imagine what a performance Babar Azam and everybody else can give if they keep getting regular series in Pakistan and abroad and get a chance to play anywhere in the world? I know the situations are not yet regularized and people are a little hesitant to visit Pakistan, but I hope things will change. What I'm trying to say is that when we criticize our boys, let's not forget these facts. No international cricket in Pakistan for years and years, and then look at the kind of series that we are given. Our boys are not getting the chance to give their absolute great performances all over the world. I hope they do. But having said that, even then, we are competing, as I said before. That is good enough for us. So, like any other sports fan, let's keep wishing, let's keep praying that things will change and things will improve, and we'll get to see classy players playing in Pakistan from abroad, and our players going abroad more regularly and getting the chances and the opportunities to play better cricket. All the best to our cricketers. They are about to embark on the English tour, and I have a feeling, inshallah, we'll play very well. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.